The American people have waited for this moment for a century. Last year, a supermajority of the United States Senate passed the most crucial social, economic, and moral change in several generations. Just a couple of days ago, the President signed that into law. And today, we made that law even better. We made it better by finally and fully closing the donut hole, by further reducing the deficit by a lot of money, by giving even more tax relief to middle-class families. There are so many things in this wonderful piece of legislation.
This health care reform that we're passing, it's a tectonic plate shift in our country. It's so sweeping, affecting every single American. Even more sweeping, more transformational, more of a game changer even than Medicare and Social Security.
What an extraordinary day. Expanded and improved health care coverage for the American people that puts America back in the first rank of nations around the world. And an expansion of educational opportunity for all of our sons and daughters.
In this bill, we have finally said no to giving more and more billions of dollars of taxpayers' money to the big banks. We've saved that money, and we're going to put it in Pell Grants so kids can go to college and have a good education.
For too long, simply being a woman was regarded as a pre-existing condition. We were charged 30 to 40% more in our insurance premiums. We wanted equal coverage for equal premiums. Second, when we went for coverage, we were often denied because so many aspects of our lives were viewed as a pre-existing condition. 8 states denied women health insurance because they were victims of domestic violence. One of my hearings revealed that a woman was denied coverage because she'd had a premature baby with a C-section and dropped by one insurance company, and when she went to another, she was told she had to be sterilized in order to get health insurance. That will never, ever happen again for what we did here.
More than 80 years ago, Franklin Roosevelt identified 4 freedoms: freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom from want, and freedom from fear. Today, in many ways, we are fulfilling that last of the great freedoms. The fear that you or your family could suffer a health care crisis, devastate you economically, cause untold hardship for you for the rest of your life and the rest of the life of your family. Today, in a sense, what we've done here as a Congress, as Democrats, unfortunately alone in this process, is lift that fear from the shoulders of the American public.
This, of course, was a health bill. It was also a jobs bill, an economic recovery bill, it was a deficit reduction bill, it was an anti-discrimination bill. It was truly a Bill of Rights. And now it is the law of the land.
We have said yes to hope, yes to confidence, yes to progress, yes to a more fair and just society.
We just want to say to people across the country, you've waited a long time for this, and you're finally going to have that freedom from fear, the freedom that you'll never have to worry again about being devastated by a health care crisis. And I can't tell you in my 30 years here, as I get ready to leave the United States Senate, I couldn't think of a better way to announce a departure than to do so by achieving national health care reform for all Americans. Thank you, sir.